Initially, traditionally, teachers would use what referred as chalk and talk. It was a situation where learning was not referred as teacher-centered. It had little regard for individual differences of pupils. So, just like you see me here, the teacher will stand in front of the pupils and will talk and occasionally writes down whatever he or she is talking about on the chalkboard. However, over time, there is now need to attend to individual differences of children. That means a teacher needs to get closer at times to attend to a child. Now that demands moving in a class, moving to attend to their individual needs. So, especially when pupils are probably doing work, okay? It could be in pairs, it could be individually, whatever. But it would be very good for a teacher to come at each child, maybe chip a word, okay? Give a chip of advice, move to the next one, and still say something. Or probably you just have a glance at their work. One advantage of moving from one point to another is that you keep the pupils all alert. You keep them on their toes because they feel your presence. If you sense a child seems to be going way wide, you just have to gently come and get closer. And there's a way, they feel your presence and are drawn to their attention, to do their work. Of course, there are situations where the teacher may have to be in front of the class. It could be because the teacher wants to pass on a set of instructions to the pupils, or probably you want to make a certain explanation. So, being in front is advisable, but even then, you need to be at one corner of the class where you can have a very good view of the class. Now, in case you are right-handed, as most of us are, it's advisable to be on your right-hand side so that when it comes to time for you to write something on the board, you are sure that the pupils in class will be able to see what you have for them on the board. Now, some teachers are actually left-handed. So, if you're the type, you're advised to stand on your left-hand side so that once again, as you write, you are sure that all the pupils will be able to look at whatever you're telling them